Hello all, welcome back to my channel. And as you know, in the last class, in the last video, part one, we have discussed about quadratic equations and what is the standard form, plus what is the way you can find out the roots of the quadratic equation. That was the first way. I just repeat the first way. What was the first way? By middle term splitting method. This was my first way by which we can solve the quadratic equation. Now let's talk about the second method. What is that second method known as? It is known by the name quadratic formula. So with the help of quadratic formula, you can easily find out the roots. So let's study what is this quadratic formula all about. So for finding the root, it is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So once again, I'm going to write the quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Now, if you can identify what is a, what is b, and what is c, you can directly put into this formula and you can find out the value of the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, so let us take one example and quickly learn about how to use this formula. So my question that I'm going to write is, it's x squared plus 2x minus 143. Let us find the root of this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. Okay, so first let us identify what is a, what is b, and what is c. I'll write here a is 1, b is 2, and c is minus 143. Now let us put into the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus 2 plus minus b square, that is 2 square minus 4, 1 into minus 143 over 2 into 1, because x is 1, a is 1. I'm going to solve it. It will be 2 2s are 4, then it will be plus 4 plus, because there are two negative numbers. So I'm going to multiply 4 here. So 12, 16, 17, and 5. So 572 divided by 2. I'm going to solve it further. So x will be, if I'll write this again, it will be more clear to you. So I'm going to add the numbers inside the root. It will be 576 over 2. I'm going to solve it further. Minus 2 plus minus. Now, what is the root of 576? There are again two methods. This is the how to calculate the square root. So if you are not aware, I'm going to write it here. So by prime factorization method, I'm going to solve the root of this 576 by prime factorization method. So just see how I'm solving. 144, then again by 2, again by 2, again by 2, again by 2, and this can be solved further by 3. Now let's make the pair. So we have, what is the square root of this? It's 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 24. So I'm going to write directly here 24. So as it is a quadratic equation, so it will be having two roots. That's why I've written plus and minus in between. So how are you going to find the two roots? At 1, I'm going to take plus sign. And for the second root, this is my first root. And for the second root, I'm going to take a minus sign. Just I need to solve it. My first root will be, I'm going to erase this part because now it is not being needed. So this will be 22 over 2, that will be 11, and this will be minus 26 over 2, that will be minus 13. So there are two roots of this equation, that is 11 and minus 13 are the two roots. So see, first method that I've discussed in my part 1 video, that is the method known by the name middle term splitting. And this is the method by using quadratic formula. I'll again repeat the formula. It's minus b plus minus b square under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Just identify the value of a, b, c, and you can easily find the quadratic, using quadratic formula, you can easily find the value of the roots of the equation. So I hope it's clear to you. I'll write one question and you please try to solve it and let me know if the topic is clear to you. So the question I'm going to write, please, I hope you write this question and solve it. So my question is 2x squared plus 4 minus plus I'll just take another question. I'll take x squared minus 2x plus 1. This is the quadratic equation. Solve this question using the quadratic formula. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.